a brown weed. Won't see me nowhere without weed. Vegan, where the be with that green ganja, baby. It's in my jeans, importing across the high seas. Bob Marley and the eye trees. Grow some seed and burn the eye trees. Juice fresh fruit and sip the light cheese. Collie weed and the land's bread. Since Red Rizzler was the standard, been representing for the ganja. Our Sizzler and Buja Banton, I blaze and walk like a champion. Hail up uncle, auntie, grandma. Please sir, we know all the cancer, so please put out this cigarette.
We be smoking, we be rolling. This weed is potent, we be floating. Seeds we sowing, trees are growing. Legalize the herb, forever blowing. We be smoking, we be rolling. This weed is potent, we be floating. Seeds we sowing, trees are growing. Legalize the herb, forever blowing.
Every day to draw to the pure and I'm gone away. Fly away on a holiday, lit chalice or berries and rock away. Only a natural eye can pacify my pain. Take me to paradise, paralyzed by my mind, I'm paranoid. Pass it on the left hand side. Gentlemen, not gonna lie. Pure FBI and the MI5. Long time I tell them for legalize. Can't bring peace into people's lives. Big corporation capitalize. Nevertheless, never sweet advice. See my red eyes and soon realize.
We be smoking, we be rolling. This weed is